Look at this one here. Damn, I'm gonna get a shoulder workout.
There's a dude in Vegas, he got one, and he goes to that indoor car show at
That one's badass.
Yes, in the casino up on the second floor. And you go in here, you go in there and watch the No, we came out with your bumpers. Sorry.
How's it going?
Eso, güey.
My older brother's size of me, he's the skinny one, but he's like, my brother, we had to adjust that rod a little bit to put a little free play in the pedal. And, but yeah, I jacked it right up last night. Now we just got to start going places more. So I think we're all filing, my brother. I got mine. We've got a year and a half to get to that point. But yeah, we're just
We were walking around today. He's got 84 over here, but he's walking around looking at it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, dude, I want to.
He wants to sell our camper. He wants something that he can take the truck and then go.
Four-wheel drive? Four-wheel drive?
Four-wheel drive.
Oh, okay. What year is it? 84?
84.
Oh, bitchin', yeah, you got a good platform, man.
Off a sliding handle like that.
Yeah.
Those things are.
We're gonna start looking, but I mean,
You can find that's a Palomino brand.
yeah.
But you can get them that like these people have that they like mine kind of just sits inside most of the years. Just keep marketplacing and stuff. Yeah.
You feel like I don't need to like bring it in, don't need to.
And
up? Hey, where are you guys out of?
Earlier when I looked this way, yeah.
Yeah, no, yeah, he's for now.
No, if he beats a rocket in it, too slow. That guy.
Side of this one church town, there's a gold dirt road to a whole lot of nothing. Got a deed to the land, but it ain't my ground. This is God's country.
Yeah.
Our guys more out. Every year you'll get solo. Last year we had
Okay. No wine, no mixed drinks.
They do have like margaritas and champagne, some type of whiskey cocktail, right? Oh, just literally. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Check that out. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome.
It's cool as hell.
News if a nigga try to beef with us, shopping in nigga markets with the minutes up. Get set, stay in mama and nigga fuck. Drop T-stick, now I'm heating up. Bitch, I'm heating up. Bitch, I'm heating up. Give me a drink of something. Bustin' out the molly by the peak of something. Rollin' out the dope, roll the dope by the O. I don't gotta sound strapped cause you already know. Fuck his main bitch, side bitch, wife and his hoe. Fucking in the kitchen, in the bathroom and on the floor. Ay, still a hood nigga, still post from the stove. Still a hood nigga, set clothes with my bros. Still a hood nigga, but right now I'm baffled. I'm fresh and fuck back then.
You guys are big.
Oh shit, the homie's got it for sale. That's the dude that I said. That's one of the homies. Imagine getting told.
I'm choosing who I hang around with, right?
It's out there.
There are guys that even have that year, even part of
All right, go for it, man. It's rolling.
Just go with the flow. All right, man. We're here at Slow Down. If you're not here, man, where you at? You're missing out. We're here right by the beach, having a good time. Come check it out. We still got the VIP. California Roland is in the house, showing off his blazer. Make sure you guys come check us out. 2-day show, 26 and 27. See you guys there.
You heard it from Biggie. Hey.
Ay, ay, ay. Now I'm getting good.
See you, carnal. Position, still shots.
We got one of those machines to do all this
Don't punish me for brutality. Come on, talk to me. You can't see what's going on. Yeah, what's going on? Tell me what's going on. I'll tell you what's going on. Better guard that fucking face, dumping the love on your floor, rolling with me, drum, drinking brews, don't start no shit with your money, so niggas stay down. What I did they say, man, you niggas just don't want to hear, man. What's good to love in the chest, man?
Every time it would catch on fire, we'd trip out on it because they used to have the old Huey. Yeah. The fucking pilots would be all, oh. And it was the 80s. I'm like, dude, that motherfucker just was a fucking Vietnam pilot. And they'd be fucking flying the helicopter all crazy. Oh, that motherfucker was a dog.
door?
That little narrow bridge across right there. I say we go to the end. We don't walk like all the way around the last side. I'm gonna check that. I want to see that one C10 at the end. No, but like last year we walked all the way around. We saw it after the fact. Though. We were talking to Jesse Allercon. That's when we saw it. Last year we walked all the way around. Yeah.
This is cool as hell. Like a Green Reaper.
Oh, sí. Cada canción es todo.
Sounds good.
I'm sorry, I dusted everybody out.
So that's what I did. Yeah.
My son said, Daddy, I don't wanna go to school cause the teacher's a jerk. He must think I'm a fool and all the kids smoke reefer. I think it'd be cheaper if I just got a job, learn to be a street sweeper. Dance to the beat, shuffle my feet, wear a shirt and tie and run with the creeps cause it's all about money, ain't a damn thing funny.
It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under. Broken glass everywhere, people pissing on the stage, you know they just don't care. I can't take the smell, can't take the noise, got no money to move out, I guess I got no choice. Rats in the front room, roaches in the back, junkies in the alley with the baseball bat. I tried to get away, but I couldn't get far, cause a man with a tow truck repossessed my car. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. It's like a jungle sometimes, it makes me wonder how I keep from going under.
Love how you close your eyes when I pull you in closer. The night's moving fast, but we ain't taking it slow. You hit me harder than a drink does. You're gonna take me all the way up. Something about you, baby, got me going crazy. I don't know what to do. I've never met a girl like you that's ever done it quite like you do. Your kiss is double barrel bourbon on rocks. Your lips are just cherry on top. I've never been high like this. Turn out the lights and let me breathe you in. Your eyes are so diamond, body so gold, and I don't wanna let you go. I've never met a girl like you.
Oh, fuck yeah. This beats walking. Man, this beats walking.
It's like a jungle sometimes. It makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes. It makes me wonder how I keep from going under. Broken glass everywhere. People pissing on the stage, you know they just don't care. I can't take the smell, can't take the noise. Got no money to move out, I guess I got no choice. Rats in the front room, roaches in the back, junkies in the alley with the baseball bat. I tried to get away, but I couldn't get far, cause a man with the tow truck repossessed my car. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. It's like a jungle sometimes. It makes me wonder how I keep from going under. Standing on the front stoop, hanging out the window, watching all the cars go by, roaring as the breezes blow. A crazy lady living in a bag, eating out of garbage pails. Used to be a fag hag, such a dance to tango. Skipped the life and dango. A zircon princess seemed to lost her senses. Down at the peep show, watching all the creeps, so she could tell her stories to the girls back home. She went to the city and got so did it. She had to get a pimp, she couldn't make it on her own. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head. It's like a jungle sometimes. It makes me wonder how I keep from going under. It's like a jungle sometimes. It makes me wonder how I keep from going under. My brother's doing bad, stole my mother's TV. Says she watches too much, it's just not healthy. All my children in the daytime, Dallas at night. Can't even see the game or the Sugar Ray fight. The bill collectors, they ring my phone and scare my wife when I'm not home. Got a bum education, double-digit inflation. Can't take the train to the job, there's a strike at the station. A neon King Kong standing on my back, can't stop to turn around. Broke my sacroiliac, a mid-range migraine, cancer membrane. Sometimes I think I'm going insane, I swear I might hijack a plane. Don't push me, cause I'm close to the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head.
My buddy
Posible cualquier conexión, el Bluetooth conectado cargando. Recibiste también notificaciones de cuando
Blake ain't got much longer. Next time, I would accommodate you. I mean, I would drop my ass off. Sorry, bro. Go ahead.
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah, I'm there for like a few minutes, hop in. And
Then I make a U-turn, I come back. Oh, you got it.
That side too.
I know.
Treya,